Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'll show you how to make coconut cake with layers of tender, moist coconut cream and delicious chocolate ganache. So let's get started. Line a 26 cm diameter springform pan with parchment paper. In a whisking bowl, beat 2 eggs with half a cup of granulated sugar until whitens. Add in 120 ml of fresh milk and sift together 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cacao, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder into the bowl. Then whisk all the ingredients thoroughly. Pour the cake batter into the springform pan. Bake for about 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 170 degrees. Set the cake aside and let it cool. For the coconut layer, whisk 75 grams of chantilly powder with 180 ml of cold milk until stiffens. Add 2 cups of grated coconut and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar and mix. Now, for the chocolate ganache, heat 200 ml of milk cream until it reaches the boiling point. Add 160 grams of chocolate chunks and mix until the chocolate is melted completely. We used 100 grams of milk chocolate and 60 grams of dark chocolate. Wet the cake with 200 ml of milk. Spread the coconut mixture over the cake and flatten with a spatula. Finally, pour the cooled chocolate ganache over the cake and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Decorate the cake as desired before serving. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!